Alhamdulillah, I'm among the alumni of An-Nur School, and I'm really grateful that Al-Hirz has provided us with a program to continue gaining knowledge.
Alhamdulillah, Al-Hirz provides you with knowledge which I apply to my daily life.
Al-Hirz is a true inspiration to me.
I want to start by letting you all know that there isn't a single question that would come to your mind about this deen except that in this book here, we have an answer.
Alhamdulillah, I enjoy attending this class because it allows me to examine pressing issues through the lens of the Quran and Sunnah.
I think this class is great because it gives us important knowledge that not many other people can get.
Alhamdulillah, Al-Hirz gives me an opportunity to apply what I learn in my day-to-day life.
Alhamdulillah, thanks to the community support, we've been able to come up with this alumni program teaching leadership and important concepts of how to embody the Quran that these students have memorized in these classes. And we hope that with your continued support, inshallah ta'ala, we will be able to continue this effort, not just for the alumni of An-Nur Quran Academy, but also for the full-time students, inshallah ta'ala.